Hi there, Diggers. James Braithwaite here. Don't worry, I'm not doing a saucy video. Welcome to bed. And I'm in bed sorting out a belt. Well, several belts actually. Got this new tool from eBay. I've lost some weight recently, so I'm punching some extra holes in these 38-inch belts, or 40-inch belts, I'm not sure which, to accommodate my 36-inch waist. So, here we go. This is how you do. See that? That's how you do the setting. And try and get it as close to centre as possible. And squeeze. And bang, there you go. Make sure it's fine. Squeeze. And there we go. Now some of my belts are a bit knackered, as you can probably see, so I'll just something. I suppose men's fashion is a bit like is a lot like a car engine. We're going to change the belt every so often. Anyway, squeeze. And in she goes. One more. Just on this one. I'll just grab a couple more. Back in the tick. I've cobbed them all out anyway. Got one left to go anyway. Okay. And again. Squeeze. On. Squeeze. Right. And we're done. Okay. Thank you very much for coming to bed with me and watching my belts. I will see you in the next one.